Yeah, I haven't messed with my poor Murray since leaf season. Parked it back here and covered it up, and I was thinking about it, mice or whatever. So maybe see if I can get a start on this one. And of course, since the seat, I never did figure out that seat issue. This ain't a driving video, of course, it's just starting it. Well, that's a good Kohler for you right there. I don't see no mice jumping out of it, so that's a good sign. Yeah, see, it don't matter what I do. See it? I could never figure the wire that I need to change. So for now, I'll just lean on it. That I didn't want to do. Oh well. This has been a good mower for me anyway. I might get rid of this if I can find a bagger for the John Deere, my 180, but that's like finding hen's teeth. This has been a good machine, so I don't need to get rid of it. There we go. Excuse me. But yeah, you can see I put it away dirty. Should have cleaned it first, but in the spring I'll do that. Probably gonna need a paint job, thanks to had really good paint until I had to spray Purple Power, and something distracted me and I let it sit, and you can see it baked right into the paint. Well, learned my lesson on that. Oh well, I already started this one up. Let it cool off and tarp this one.